I thought it was time that the Supreme Court stepped in and should have taken suo motu cognizance. I'm glad the court has said two big things. First, the court has said that unless and until we don't pronounce a judgment, we don't meet next, there will be no cases that will be registered by lower courts. I think it's showing a mirror. It's telling the lower courts that you are going to be responsible for any disruption in law and order. Stop entertaining pleas that are going to cause turmoil in the society. So I think that one thing the court has said. The other thing that the court has very categorically done is it has put the central government in the dock. And it has almost told the central government that you can't look the other way. You can't be nonchalant. You cannot pretend that nothing is happening because you are in government. You have to say whether you agree with the law or not. And let me tell you, Places of Worship Act 1991 was formed when the BJP was part of the legislatures. Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji led a government from 1999 to 2004. This law was existing. Mr. Modi has now been Prime Minister from 2014 to 2024. We are ending this year. And all throughout, this law has been enforced. Does the BJP support it? Does it oppose it? Because miscreants who want to cause turmoil, who want to put the country on a boil all the time, who want to create distractions, are using this. I am absolutely certain at the behest of the BJP. But now the BJP and its government will have to make its position very clear. So I welcome it. And I welcome the fact that the court has taken cognizance and the court has issued directions to the lower courts and also to the central government. Because I think as a country, we need to talk about job creation. We need to talk about reining in prices. We need to talk about removing the income inequality. We need to talk about caste census. Instead, we are talking about which place of worship is going to be dug up next. I mean, Archaeological Survey and IIT Gandhinagar apparently has said that there are Buddhist caves to be found under Somnath. What are you going to do now? Next, dig up temples. I think this has to stop, and it better stop after the Supreme Court's directions.